Namaste student, I am Dr. Manu Singh from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Vivian University Jaipur, and in this session I will be dealing with the subject banking law and insurance, and in this particular subject I will be dealing with the organization and function of Reserve Bank of India. So dear student, as we all know that Reserve Bank of India is the central bank of India, which was established by the recommendation of Hilton Young Commission on 1st April 1935, and this particular bank has been nationalized on 1949, and RBI is a wholly governed or owned by the Indian government, the government of India, and the head office of Reserve Bank of India in Mumbai. So, what is the organization of management and how we can say the composition of RBI? So, first of all, RBI is managed by the central government, and presently they are 21 member, governor for a period of 5 years, and 4 deputy governor for a period of 5 years, 4 director each nominated for 4 local boards, 10 directors nominated by Government of India, and 2 government officer nominated by Government of India. So, first governor was Sir Smith Osborne. Sir Osborne Smith was the first governor, and now we'll be moving ahead. We'll be looking for what was the departments of RBI. So, department, first of all, we'll be examining currency department and what are the function of this, responsible for administration of currency issue, core function of RBI Act 1934, and second function we can say department is banking operation and development, and the function of banking operation development responsible for regulation of commercial bank under provision of Banking Regulation Act 1934 and RBI Act 1934, rural planning and credit. It is a department, and function of this formulate policy related to the rural population. And the next department is foreign exchange, facilitate external trade and payment, and promote the development and maintain the foreign exchange, FAMA 1999. Inspection and assign duties on behalf of a top management to provide feedback on top management for efficient and effective working organization. Functions, what are the functions? So the functions of Reserve Bank of India are mentioned RBI Act 1934. It acts as a central bank as well as the ordinary bank. The central bank's function, issuance of paper currency, sole note issuing authority, issue department, and Indian currency system under minimum reserve system. RBI maintains minimum of gold and foreign security for the extent rupee 2,000 crore and more than, and banker of the government, the agent of central and state government, both national and international level, performs banking function on behalf of the government and maintain the government account, provides financial advice and overdraft facility to the government. Bankers of bank and lender of last resort, all scheduled bank come under direct control of RBI. So both commercial and scheduled bank have to maintain minimum reserve with RBI. And custodian of cash reserve of commercial bank. Regulatory function, credit control is one of the principal function of the RBI, and credit control means. So there is a basic insight which I have provided you student regarding the Reserve Bank of India. I have discussed in this particular session what is the organization, composition, what is the main department of this bank. As I told you, currency department, banking operation department, rural planning department, foreign exchange department, inspection department, and what is the main function of the main function mentioned in the Act, RBI Act 1934. So we'll have to go through the RBI Act 1934 to look into the functions. And I told you main function in this section, currency issue, Indian currency, bankers of government, banker of bank, and lender of last resort, and regulatory function इनका क्या है? तो credit control is one of the main function of this particular bank. Thank you.